In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automated appointment reminders in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll have email and text reminders sending automatically from the exact calendar you choose, so your no-shows go down and your schedule stays on track. Start by opening your GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to a specific location or client workspace. From here, head into Settings. We're going there because calendar preferences, including reminders, are controlled at the settings level for each sub-account. Inside Settings, go to Calendars. This page lists every booking calendar you've created. Find the calendar you want to send reminders from, for example your consultation booking calendar, and click Edit. Editing the specific calendar is important because reminder rules are applied per calendar, not globally. Once the calendar editor is open, look for Advanced Settings. This area holds the fine-grained controls that affect how your calendar behaves beyond the basic availability setup. Next, open Notifications and Policies. This is where you'll manage confirmations, cancellations, and most importantly for today, automated reminders. In the Reminder section, click the Edit icon. This opens the reminder configuration so you can control what goes out and how. Here, enable email. Turning this on ensures your contacts receive a friendly nudge in their inbox before the appointment. Keep your subject clear and the body concise. Include the appointment date, time, and location details. If you personalize with the contact's name or appointment type, you'll often see better engagement. Now enable SMS as well. Text reminders are short, immediate, and highly effective. Keep the message brief, confirm the key details, and add a quick way for recipients to manage their booking if you support rescheduling. Make sure your tone is helpful and follow applicable messaging guidelines in your region. Short, direct texts tend to perform best. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. This commits your reminder settings to the selected calendar. From now on, anyone who books through that calendar will receive reminders according to your configuration. If you ever need to adjust timing or wording later, you can return to the same reminders area and make updates without disrupting your existing bookings. That's it. You've set up automated appointment reminders in GoHighLevel. Keep your messages consistent with your brand, double-check time zones if you serve multiple regions, and review reminder performance periodically to fine-tune your approach. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.